viewers, welcome back to my channel. I am Shilpa. So yeah, today I came up with this Bengali traditional look. So if you want to try out this look, then please keep on watching. So at first I take my KRYOLAN DERMA foundation and I take some AVON face oil and I mix this with my foundation. So I apply my foundation with a flat brush and then I take a buffer brush to buff my foundation all over my face. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Age concealer to highlight my face. I apply this on under my eyes, bridge of my nose, center of my forehead, around my mouth, on my cupid bow and a little bit on my chin. And I buff this with my buffer brush. Now I'm taking that banana shade powder from my NYX palette to set those areas where I apply my highlighter. And for rest of my face, I apply my KRYOLAN fixing powder. Then I take that contouring shade and I contour my face. I just contour my cheek area and I contour my forehead also. And yeah, the most important part of my face, I contour my nose. Now I'm taking that bronzy shade and I just bronze up those areas where I contour. Now I'm taking my Face's All-Time Pro eyebrow pencil. At first I fill the gaps on my eyebrows and then I comb it up. Now I am taking my Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. So at first I take that crease brush from PAC and take that bronzy shade and apply this all over my crease area. Then I take that dark chocolate shade and apply this on the outer V of my eyes. Now I am taking my LAKME 4 color eyeshadow palette and take that gorgeous golden shade. With a flat brush, I apply this all over my eyelid. This is a very nice classic golden shade. Then I again take that chocolate brown shade and this time I take that color with a flat brush and apply this on the outer V to create more depth on my eyes. Then I take a fluffy brush to blend every single eyeshadow and make it flawless. Now I'm taking that dark shade with a pencil brush and apply this on my lower lash line. I'm so sorry my camera doesn't catch that shade, so extremely sorry for that. Now I'm taking my Maybelline gel liner and I'm also taking that brush which come along with that gel liner and apply this liner on my waterline. So for liner, I take that same gel liner and that same brush and just create a very classic wing. And now I'm taking that highlighting shade from my same Wet n Wild palette and highlight my inner corners of my eyes, and with the same shade I also highlight my brow bone. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild blusher. This is a very nice classic pink color. Yeah, I just broke that blusher. I just dropped this. Now I'm taking my Body Shop highlighting shimmer bricks. This highlighter is gorgeous. I mean, it gives you a very natural, healthy finish glow. Now I'm taking my Miss Clair liquid lipstick. This is in the shade 32 and this is a very nice orangish reddish tone which I really love. Then suddenly I realized that I forgot to apply my mascara. So yeah, I apply my mascara on my upper lashes and also I apply my mascara on my lower lashes. Now I'm setting my face with my Makeup Revolution fixing spray and give it a quick shower. Yeah, done. So I add some false lashes and yeah, isn't it look so gorgeous, guys? And it's so simple, so you can easily recreate this. In this wedding season, I know you all have lots of invitations, so I hope you once try out this look, and if you, then please don't forget to send me your pictures. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you, then please like, comment and share, and please subscribe my channel before you leave. Lots of love from my side. Bye guys, see you soon on my next tutorial.